friggin' working on clearing out the shop, getting all the shit put away and stuff. Got the call. Trained professional. Right on, man. Thank you. For me?
How's your head?
Oh, it's all right.
I couldn't believe you.
Oh.
That's my wife Tammy, by the way.
How you doing? Oh, see if I can find some lug nuts now. 3 different kinds. They look all too small.
That was a good deal you got on that truck.
Yeah. Could have, you know, it was a gamble, right? Who knows why they scrapped it. 128,000. Blew her up.
Anyway, sir.
Right on, man.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, you too.
So. All right, I'll try. I don't know.
Do like a 800-foot burnout. Uh-oh. Here he goes.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, Dick. Little chirp chirp. Well, let's see if he does a rip roar around the corner. Just jostles all his drinks and whatnot. Ah, good lord. Had to friggin' order different types of Earls because you can't go anywhere and nothing's open and you can't go anywhere and stuff. So that's, you know, totally awesome, like it is. But yeah, so I gotta wait for them to email me and tell me, oh, you can come and pick up your oil, then I can change the oil. But the park and brake, boys, park and brake, no get, park and brake, no get. So should disconnect the wheels, open up the stovepipe. Hello.
Yeah, hi, good afternoon, Mr. Jerry. How are you doing today?
Not too bad. Are you going to show up this time?
Sorry, sir?
I says, not too bad. Are you going to show up this time?
For the duct cleaning, sir?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Why not, sir? Sure.
Well, I don't know. I made
But
400 appointments and you've shown up 0 times, so I don't
I
understand.
don't know, honestly, though, I understand your point. Do you remember the company name which you placed last time appointment?
Yeah, it was you. It was the guy who calls me Mr. Jerry, right? So are you...
Sir, you know,
Hey, listen to me.
from here?
Listen to me. Okay? Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Why do you make
Yes,
appointment?
yes, sir.
Why do you make appointments and not show up?
Sir, honestly, as I told you, honestly, I understand your point. You're frustrated because when you book the appointment and nobody show up, I understand that. But
No, you don't.
I don't know about it, okay? Sorry?
Bullshit. You're full of shit.
Hello?
What do you mean, hello? You're full of shit.
No, sir, if you give me a chance, Mr. Jerry...
Give you a
surely
chance.
will
When are you
show me.
coming? When are you coming? When are you coming?
Sorry?
When are you coming?
Okay, can you confirm me in which city you're residing? So I can
Holy
let
fuck,
which
you
city
know
can come?
exactly where I am, you fucking goof.
Sir, honestly, I don't know about it.
No, honestly, you absolutely do. The only people who call me Mr. Jerry are the duct cleaning dicks. That's it. The only people in the whole world. See, the problem is, right? You can't shut the fuck up and listen to what's being said to you. You're too busy yakking off your fucking horse like a goof. When are you coming? Hello?
Sir, can you confirm the city you're in?
I'm in
I can let you
Inwood.
know.
When are you coming?
So if you can tell me in which city you're
I
residing,
fucking
let
just
me know.
told you, you stupid fuck. I'm in Inwood. When are you coming?
So can you hold for a second so I can let you know which day we're working there?
You're a fucking idiot. Fucking goof. All right, well, I got the email. We got the brake fixed. I had her all taut terrible. And I guess being new or new cables and stuff, they stretched a little bit. They just went less and less and less until today the fucking truck's rolling away on me. I apologize. Miscommunication through text probably is a good amount of what happened. But anyway, just got the email to get the earls. So we'll go grab that. Hopefully get the oil changed tonight. Be all lickety splips for tomorrow. Thinking Rusty needed a wheel bearing. Checked it, you know, it doesn't seem loose or anything, but it was really loud, you know, like really wow 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 when you're driving. It's the tires. So now this truck, quieter as frig, now it's louder as frig. Tires. Oh, she goes like stink with no trailer on. Good lord.
Actually.
Right on. Probably put one in the front there.
There you go.
Right on, man.
There you have a good one.
You too. Careful. Don't drop tires off. Don't drop tires off the free drop off. That'd be terrible. You bestn't.